Hi and welcome in this brand new video of Web Development Roadmap series. Today we have an informative video about Python. I will tell you everything about Python. What is Python, what you can do with it, the salary and the most popular frameworks. So don't stop the video here and share it with the world. Let's get into it. Let's start with defining Python. Python is an object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. The conclusion of the definition, in one word, the code is readable. Python is a high-level built-in data structure, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, which make it very attractive for rapid application development. Python is a scripting language, which make it easy to learn and also to use. Okay, let me now see what makes it so popular, what it can do rather than the other programming languages. Okay, Python cannot just be used by software engineers, but also it can be used by mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, and network engineers. So this means that Python can be used in a variety of different tasks, such as data analysis and visualizations, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. You can use Python to build web, mobile, desktop applications, even you can use it for hacking. Okay, now you might be saying, indeed I can't do this with other programming languages. So what is the big deal about Python? Okay, it is true, but with Python you can solve complex problems in less time and with fewer lines of code. For example, here is the code to delete a file in JavaScript and in C#. And here is the code in Python. Okay, now let us see what are the databases can be used for storing Python web applications. The most popular are MySQL, Postgres, and SQLite. Actually, I've tried to search what are the most common used between three of them, but I found different opinions. Some people prefer to use Postgres as it can handle large amount of data. Some others prefer MySQL because it's easy and also there are a lot of people familiar with it. And some prefer SQLite as it has no administrative needs. Do you think Python has a frameworks? Of course, that's what makes it a huge language. So let me now take a look on some of the popular frameworks. The first one, Django. It's an open source framework that enables developers to develop complex applications. The second one, Web2Py. Also, it's an open source framework for web application development, but the best part about Web2Py is enable you to build the code and also debug it, because this framework comes with a debugger code editor and also a deployment tool. Also, there are TurboGears, Babel, and Pyramid. Well, what if you don't want to go with Python and you want alternative languages? You can go with Node.js, C# and .NET, and PHP. Now it's the time for the money. Let us see the salary for Python developer. Okay, let us see the salary for Python web developer and Python developer. Let me search for salaries and the location. Let me search for USA, New York. So here is the salary for a Python web developer, $82K per year. Let me now search for Python developer. So he can use Python to create web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications. I use Python in everything. $113K per year. This is just the average. And consider you are an expert in Python. So this is your salary, $160K. So that's the end. I hope everything is clear and this video make you excited to start learning Python. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get my upcoming videos once it get published. See you next time.